के भन्ने मैले भिडियो कि फोटो Just another day at Sand Dune, guys. It's so nice. Woo! Storm is coming, and we're gonna go right to the storm. Sand Dune, we're going that way. It looks kind of far. We're just taking a quick break to walk our dog. Marty, how's it going, Marty? What's up, Marty?
अहिले चाहिँ हामी Sacramento छौँ हैन we're about to go snowboarding Sierra Mountain भन्ने छ एउटा लेक Tahoe नजिकै with this guy yeah, so and that guy is not going but which one's that? Hi baby. And this guy or girl and that girl right there. So yeah, it's about 5:35, 5:40. We're about to head to the mountain, and yeah, it's about an hour and a half. हैन अनि हिजो बेलुका पनि गरेर रहेछ 6-7 inches. I checked on the map. So should be a fun day. Huh? It's like either way, bro.
This event's having to have big hole in the back, so I'm deciding to make my own ski pants this morning.
That is exactly what happened.
Thank you, Val. Thank you for validating
So yeah.
my claim.
Alright guys, don't forget anything. Alright, let's hit the road.
I just want to give a quick shout out to my brother Yege. Yege, my brother, I understand how you felt that time, you know, when we went to Lake Canyon.
Yeah.
You know, without giving too much details away, you know, we had a great experience, and yeah. And Rosie, shout out to you. One love.
हैन दिनभरि आज चाहिँ माउन्टेनमा स्नोबोर्डिङ गर्यो अझै भर्खर चेक इन गरेर अब यसो Oh my god, this looks so good, guys. Check this out. Check this out. Ready? So guys, अहिले चाहिँ हैन San Francisco Bay Area मा हैन
Pier 39 मा
Pier 39 मा आएर हल्का यसो ड्रिंक्स अनि फ्रुट्स खाएर तर यो एरिया मलाई खतरा लाग्यो यार है यसो वाक अराउन्ड गर्न हैन
राम्रो छ भाइ राम्रो छ
भाइब चाहिँ इज पर्फेक्ट वेदर हैन अलिकति अब अहिले चाहिँ कोभिड टाइमले गर्दा यो मास्क लगाएर टेन्सन भइरहेछ हैन
बट यु शुड स्टिल भिजिट किनभने बे एरिया इज हेल नाइस So actually we're gonna go to another place that you guys might be very used to. हाम्रो थमेलको जस्तो भाइब छ हैन यहाँ चाहिँ
enlightenment.
You want some donut? How about eat some donut, guys? But it's actually magnetic. खाना चाहिँ मिल्दैन है
Get on the little taxi boat.
Which one?
That one right over there. The yellow cab. Yellow cab, holla at. And we're about to go see what?
We're to go see what?
A lot
tell
of
me.
places. Alcatraz.
Sea lions.
Sea lions.
Sea lions.
Sea lions.